up-to-date level, being the former school prefect, a senior speaker of parliament and all that. So as an upcoming leader or an emerging leader, one thing that we should not forget, that we should pencil down is that as far as criticism is concerned, you are not exempted and faced it. People sabotage you, but you have to make sure that you are the flying colors. So what happens, nobody even care that you pass through those challenges and all that. And another thing that also kind of has to do with familiarity. As an upcoming leader, you have to be extra careful and vigilant about familiarity. Sometimes when we get the opportunity to meet big men, and as a result of that, they grant us the opportunities. We try to misconduct ourselves because we think we are equal. Sometimes we give the opportunity to even meet with a person, but you should know that you are not equal. There is a difference between you and that person who has given you the opportunity. So sometimes people do complain that, oh, now when I call him, he doesn't pick my call. But you forget that now you are competing with the one who has given you the opportunity. So as an emerging leader, it is important to also take critical look at the familiarity. Because it is killing most of the young people. And at the end of the day, we end up by blaming those who gave us the opportunity to excel. Talking about the prospect, there are so many prospects, as I said. The next president cannot be President Akufo-Addo. The next president can be you. And the next minister can be you. So the onus lies on you to strategically position yourself to accomplish your dream. That is the most important thing. Nobody is born not to lead. Everybody is a leader. In your homes, you lead. If you are a father, automatically have children. And as you instruct them and direct them, you are leading. In your own business, you have people who are following you. You are leading. So you don't need to become a minister or an MP to say that you are leading. Everybody is a leader. But it depends on how you go about it. And many times, we do hear a lot of things about leaders, but sometimes the things that we hear about some of them, it comes with so many perceptions. It's because of how they conduct themselves. So if you want to become a fantastic emerging leader, you have to try as much as you can to excel in whatever you do. You must persevere in anything that you do. Nothing comes on a silver platter. So on this note, all in here, obviously I come back and thank you very much for this opportunity. And I am extremely excited for coming. The amazing aspect to this program is that we have so many people who are coming from the Western region, Northern region, Ashanti region. This clearly tells you that the youth are 100% optimistic